Stop saying very. Instead, use 50 powerful English words that I'll teach you today to sound more fluent in English. Many English learners often use the word very to make adjectives stronger. For example, very big, very tired, very cold, very interesting. But native speakers often use stronger and more natural vocabulary instead of very. Using these powerful English words will help you sound more fluent, improve your vocabulary, speak naturally like a native speaker. In this lesson, you will learn 50 better words to use instead of very. Try to repeat the words out loud and practice using them in sentences. Let's get started. Very tired, exhausted, very hungry, starving, very happy, delighted, very sad, heartbroken, very angry, furious. Example: I am exhausted after work today. Size and amount: very big, huge, very small, tiny, very crowded, packed, very empty, deserted, very full, stuffed. Example: the restaurant was packed last night. Temperature: very hot, boiling, very cold, freezing, very warm, scorching, very cold, chilly, very dry, arid. Example: it's freezing outside today. Quality: very good, excellent, very bad, terrible, very beautiful, stunning, very ugly, hideous, very clean, spotless. Example: the beach is stunning. Speed and time: very fast, rapid, very slow, sluggish, very quick, instant, very late, overdue, very early, premature. Example: the service was instant. Intelligence and difficulty: very smart, brilliant, very stupid, idiotic, very easy, effortless, very hard, difficult, very confusing, perplexing. Example: the puzzle is perplexing. Emotions and reactions: very surprised, astonished, very scared, terrified, very shocked, stunned, very embarrassed, mortified, very excited, thrilled. Example: I was thrilled to hear the news. Appearance: very bright, blinding, very dark, pitch black, very colorful, vibrant, very shiny, gleaming, very messy, chaotic. Example: the room was chaotic after the party. Personality: very kind, compassionate, very brave, fearless, very calm, serene, very friendly, welcoming, very funny, hilarious. Example: he is hilarious. How to remember these words? Here are some tips to help you learn and remember stronger vocabulary. Number 1, replace very when you speak. Instead of saying very tired, try saying exhausted. Number 2, you need to learn words in pairs. For example, very cold is freezing. And of course, you need to practice with real sentences, such as I was starving after the gym. And using strong vocabulary instead of very will instantly make your English sound more natural and more advanced. You need to try to learn 3 to 5 new words each day and use them in your conversations. And soon you'll see that your English has become richer, clearer, and more powerful.